It's going crazy. It's going bananas. Silana ngaphandle, and we are waiting for Big Xhosa. There are a lot of questions that we want to ask him. Njengoba sazi ukuthi nang Big Xhosa. How are you, Big Xhosa? Because we want to know ukuthi how do you feel about this state? Say hip hop upper Mzansi. How do you feel?
I don't have feelings.
Yeah! Yazi nangoku uzodokaka niphi impundu, but now I'm fine. I told her anzalifuna impundu. Biggie is back, you know kuzonuka umsulu. Nenza unothanda, I feel like uNkulunkulu. Unjonge kahle mna ndayifaka imbola. I could say who I'm smashing, but andithandi drama, cause I'm a fucking pimp. Sapani Gucci mink. Without me, i-rap game fucking sinks. Ayisuka man, i-rappers are laughable. Andinoyiki, nyanibona ndi-comfortable. Tell me yet, yeah, I really have a crush on you. I'm a boss, nobody tells me what to do. Because I do this, do that, Futsek. I-haters sami zonke, Futsek. I-gatekeeper zonke, Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek. I-exes sami zonke, Futsek. Umjolo, Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek. The king is back. I'm the king him too. Fuck the police. When I see you, there's a nigga pride. I am such a vibe. I want somebody's wife. I'm in the club, you know, I make it rain. I don't care about the industry. Go to hell. Because I do this, do that. Futsek. I-haters sami zonke. Futsek. I-gatekeeper zonke. Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek. I-exes sami zonke. Futsek. Umjolo. Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek. Futsek, 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 Futsek.
Because
Yeah, I make the cuckoo.
Hi man, you know me when I'm this excited. You know what is about. What is it about? I've got some good news for when, man. There's a platform called Emily Dates. Emily Dates is a premium dating site. Most women on the site are young and have a pleasant appearance with ifika. With ifika. All girls are manually verified, so there's no bots. I call the bots only real dating. And women there, women there are looking. They are looking for serious. Even if casual, it's also there. You understand? So, for a convenient search, you can search the perimeters of the desired girl that you want, man. You understand? Whether be it ufuna ubona, what type of skin color does she have? Where does she stay? How tall is she? Man, you understand? You can even also search for the breast size. Breast size, ain't that nice? It is very, 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 very nice to me. But if you open a premium account, you can be able to view. Hey, my dad, you can be able to view private albums of pictures of the girls that you love. Boom! Make sure you click the link in the description. Spangene, masjolene betun.